Welcome. In front of me is a T tablet from T-Mobile, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then somewhere here you'll find a Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it, and this will quickly, let's try it again. Come on. There we go. And this should quickly take you to the settings. For some reason, me holding it didn't really register as holding it. But in any case, once you hold it, it takes you to the settings. And here you can customize how it will function. Now I'm gonna only talk about one option that I find very useful in here, which is the duration for quick settings. I find this particularly useful because I'm a simple person. I forget things. And by default, when you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, it would just run indefinitely in the background. So I like to set it on a timer and make it something longer, like 4 hours. And therefore, whenever I enable it with this kind of option, so manually tap on it and the notifications right here, it'll enable itself for the specified amount of hours. And after that time passes, it will automatically turn off. By default, it would just run indefinitely till you remember to turn it off yourself. That could be, depending on the person, days, weeks, so you know. So this is a very handy option. Obviously, you can go through all of those and find whatever you want to change. Once you have done so, to enable or disable it, you can just find it in the notification shade right here and tap on it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.